Hey guys, today we are just going to continue what we were working on yesterday with multi-step percent problems. So I'm going to do a few more examples with you today and then let you practice some more questions on this, as I feel like we could benefit from a second day of this and seeing a few more examples than we saw yesterday. Our first example says a crystal vase was originally priced at $50, but Ron waited to buy it until the crystal vase was on sale for 80% off. If he paid 10% sales tax on the sale price, how much did he pay in total? Okay, so you have to first calculate your discount because you only pay tax on the sale price, or the amount that you're paying for the item, not what it originally was. Okay, so if we're getting 80% off, so we're going to do 80% of the original amount, which was $50. So 0.80 multiplied by 50 equals $40. So $40 is your discount. So we've got to go back and take that discount off of our original price of 50. So 50 minus 40 equals 10. So $10, I'm going to put SP for sale price. Okay, now we can calculate our sales tax. So remember, you pay tax on the sale price, what you are paying for the item. So 10% of, and the sale price, which is what you're paying for it, is $10. So 0.10 times 10 equals 1. Ask yourself, what is $1 representing? Okay, $1 is your tax. Okay, so to find our total, including tax, we're going to take our sale price of $10, our tax of $1, add those two together, and our total is $11. Pause your video and try example 2. While on a business trip, Isabel treated her coworkers to a meal that cost $60. Isabel knew that when the bill came, she would need to pay 15% sales tax and would want to leave a 10% tip on the original $60. Including tax and tip, how much did Isabel's meal cost? Okay, so we're going to first calculate our sales tax. So we're going to do 15%, the original amount, which was $60. So that is going to be 0.15 multiplied by 60, which gives us 9. So you need to ask yourself, what is that 9 representing? If you're not sure, go back and look at your percentage. 15% was representing our tax. Now we also need to calculate our tip. So our tip was 10% of the original amount, which was still $60. So 0.10 times 60 is 6. Okay, so ask yourself again, what is that $6 representing? In this case, it is representing our tip. Okay, the question is asking us, including tax and tip, how much did her meal cost? So you're going to need to take the cost of the meal, okay, and the cost of the meal was $60. You're going to need to add tax of 9 and the tip of 6, which gives you a total of $75. Pause your video and try example 3. At the beginning of March, a store bought a cell phone at a cost of $9.70 and marked it up 200%. At the end of the month, the cell phone had not sold, so the store marked it down 10%. What was the discounted price? Okay, so remember that a store has to mark up an item so that they make a profit on it. Otherwise, they would be selling it to you for what they bought it for. So they've marked it up 200%. So 200% of $9.70. So we would write 200% as just the whole number 2 multiplied by 970. And 2 times 970 is $19.40. Okay, you need to ask yourself, what is that 1940 representing? Well, that's the amount of the markup. Okay, so then we're going to need to take that markup amount and add it back to that original price here of 970. So 970 plus the markup of 1940 means that they would be selling the item for $29.10. However, in this problem, it tells us that it did not sell, so they decided to discount it or mark it down. Okay, so to mark it down, we would need to do 10% of that current marked up price, which was $29.10. So 0.10 multiplied by $29.10, which gives us $2.91. So since this is a markdown, then this number, this $2.91, is describing our discount. So we need to take our current marked up price of $29.10 and now subtract this discount or this markdown of $2.91, which leaves a new discounted price of $26.19. Pause your video and try example 4. While on a business trip, Krista treated her coworkers to a meal that cost $26.65. Krista knew that when the bill came, she would need to pay 12% sales tax and would want to leave a 15% tip on the original $26.65. Including tax and tip, how much did Krista's meal cost? So we need to first calculate our sales tax, which is 12% of the original amount, which was $26.65. So 0.12 multiplied by $26.65 gives us $3.20. Okay, ask yourself, what is that $3.20 representing? So 12% was representing our tax. Okay, we also need to calculate our tip, which was 15% of the original amount of also $26.65. So that is 0.15 multiplied by $26.65. So 0.15 times $26.65 gives us $4. So you need to ask yourself, what is $4 representing? Well, $4 is representing our tip. Now, it is asking for her total, including tax and tip. So obviously, she still has to pay the $26.65 for the meal. She has to pay $3.20 for tax, and then she's leaving a $4 tip. So when you add those three numbers together, we get a total of $33.85. Pause your video and try example 5. A store purchased a storage bin at a cost of $6.98 and marked it up 175%. Later on, Edward bought the storage bin. If the sales tax is 9.6%, how much did he pay in all? Okay, so again, the store is not going to let Edward buy it for what they paid for it because they need to make a profit. So we're going to figure out what they have marked up the price to. So 175% of $6.98. So 175% as a decimal is 1.75. Multiply that by $6.98. Gives us $12.22. So ask yourself, what is $12.22? That's the amount of the markup, or the amount that the store would profit. So to figure out what the sale price is, what Edward is going to pay for that storage bin, we need to add that $12.22 back to that original price of $6.98. So $6.98 plus the $12.22 gives us a total of $19.20. So that is Edward's price for the storage bin. However, Edward also has to pay his sales tax. So he's paying 9.6% sales tax on the amount that he is paying for the item. So he is paying $19.20 for the storage bin. So 9.6% as a decimal is 0.096 multiplied by $19.20, which gives us 1.84. So you need to ask yourself, what is $1.84? Okay, so go back to your 9.6%. That was representing your tax. So to find our total, how much he paid in all, he's obviously paid the $19.20 for the storage bin, and he's going to pay $1.84 in tax, which gives him a total of $21.04. Okay, hopefully that extra practice will help clear up some confusion. Make sure you complete today's assessment. It shouldn't take you very long. I think it's only 5 problems. Let me know if you need anything. Have a good one, guys.